Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. It's another edition of What's on the Porch, and today we have the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. It is a makeup, skincare, hair care subscription box, and it's $38 a month with free shipping. I signed up for a year, so my box has come out to $31 a month. And today we have NudeStix. I have already put on all of the products. We're going to go over them all. You'll watch me put them on and we'll talk about how I like them. Also, AIA donates, I believe it's $1 from every single box to cancer research. We're going to start with the citrusy mask and daily moisturizer. I did not use this today because it has a safety seal on it and I didn't want to open it. I'm dying to open it and see what it smells like, but I didn't want to open it and get the clock to ticking, so I did not use this today. It retails for $38 and it's a hydrating moisturizer, sleeping mask, and makeup primer all in one naturally powerful formula. Vegan powered actives deeply moisturize skin to help improve elasticity and tone, renew skin texture for soft, smooth, hydrated, and glowing skin. And I will put this in my rotation. Once I use it, I will let y'all know how it worked out for me. Very interesting that it is also a primer, and it's got yuzu and turmeric in it. And I don't know a lot about yuzu, but I know that turmeric is very good for your skin. Next up, we have this Nudies Bronze in Sunkissed. It retails for $38 and it is a multitasking balm to create warm bronzing on the face, eyes, and lips for an easy, go nude but better look. Achieve a healthy looking summer glow or to sculpt the face for a natural contour. Dual-ended design with a color block on one end and a top quality makeup brush on the other. This bronzer stick applied very, very easily. It was very easy to blend out with the little brush. I did notice just a little bit of patchiness up around my upper hairline. However, I think that that was user error, and I am placing it over top of a powder foundation. Next, we are going to try out this magnetic eye color in Doo-Wop. What a name. Doo-Wop. This retails for $26 and it's a 4-in-1 pencil that can be used as an eyeshadow, eyelid primer, eyeliner pencil, and a cream highlighter stick. Satin finish with intense color that lasts up to 11 hours. Infused with hydrating, skincare-like ingredients. And I did use this as an eye primer, and I placed my shadow over the top, so we will see if it lasts 11 hours and how it holds up as my eye primer. Next up, we have this Lash Lengthening Mascara. It retails for $28. It delivers natural, full, and feathery lashes. Tripeptide Booster Complex makes lashes longer by more than 11% and thicker by more than 15%. Dense and clump-free lashes with a rich black color. And I really liked this. It definitely was clump-free. You know, sometimes when you open up a brand new mascara, it doesn't go on right. It has to kind of dry down a little bit before it actually goes on right. This went on perfect. As soon as I opened it, I really did like it, and it was very, very easy to apply. I can definitely tell that my lashes look a little bit longer and have a little bit more volume to them. And finally, we have this magnetic matte lip in Boho. It retails for $26 and it is very, very comfortable to put on. I did not have any issues with it at all. Sometimes I have a hard time putting lip products on if I don't use a lip pencil first. This was not the case with this product. It went on super smooth. It's very comfortable, but I do know that even now it still feels just a little bit tacky. Hopefully it will dry down some more and that tacky feeling will go away. It retails for $26 and it's a magnetic matte lip color pencil. It's the answer to your long wear lipstick prayers. These kiss-proof and transfer-proof lippies feature lightweight pigments that apply like a pencil, look like a lipstick, and last like a temporary tattoo. And that's not all they do. And so let's see. Absolutely no transfer whatsoever. So there we go. There's everything that was in my AIA Beauty Bundle. I really do like these NudeStix products. I think that they all worked really well. Even the lip, like, it feels just a little tacky, but it's not bad at all. The retail value of my box comes out to be $152, and I paid $31 for it. I think that that's a steal. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button, show it some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you need a doo-wop eye primer? I figure maybe if you use this eye primer before you go fishing, then, you know, when you're fishing, you can sing a doo-wop song. Doo-wop, doo-wop. No, you probably shouldn't do that. That just sounds dumb. Mama loves you, boo.